Keeping your home in a good condition is essential for ensuring your comfort and safety. However, many people struggle with maintaining their house due to the various reasons such as lack of time, knowledge, or resources. Neglecting your home maintenance can lead to costly repairs, even pose a threat to your health and well-being. For instance, a leaky roof can cause water damage, mold growth, and structural problems, while clogged gutters can result in basement flooding and paste infections. So the good news is that with some effort and planning, you can avoid this issue and keep your house in top shape. And here are some tips. First, you have to create a maintenance checklist, including routine tasks such as cleaning, inspecting, and repairing different parts of your home, such as the AC of the house or the heater, or any plumbing or roofing or landscaping. So, second, invest in high quality tools and equipment that can help you tackle various tasks efficiently, such as a ladder, a drill, a vacuum, a lawnmower, and many more. And finally, don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed, especially for complex or dangerous tasks such as electric or trimming a tree. So by following these tips, you can enjoy clean and safe and comfortable home for years to come. And don't let home maintenance overwhelm you. Take action today and start to take care of your house right now. And the other thing is, if you want to buy or sell or invest in real estate, reach out to me. And also, if you want to learn how to analyze properties and buy your first rental, give me a follow. And join my live on TikTok Monday to Friday at 8 p.m. Central Time. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Peace.